Yo, what's up? It's your boy Ben. We back with another video. And today, it's the long-awaited leg day workout. Now, I am running shoulders on my leg day as well, but I figured, let's just do legs. I showed you guys my shoulders and calves workout. Everything I did on that shoulder day is what I did on this leg day as well, since I put my shoulders with my legs. You guys are probably going to be very surprised at how low volume that I actually train legs, since legs are my best body part probably. You'll see in the video if you haven't seen my legs before. So yeah, it's going to be probably very low volume compared to what you see from other people. I find that if I train my legs a lot and do too many sets, that I can't really recover for my next session. Like I said in my last video about things I wish I knew as a beginner lifter. If you haven't watched that, go watch that now. If you've seen that video, then you would know that training splits are very important in balancing volume, intensity, and frequency. So I find that if I just train 4 sets for hamstrings, 4 sets for quads, but just very close to failure sets, like probably 2 failure every set, that I don't really need as many sets. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way, that if you're surprised that this is a very low volume leg workout, that is why, because I cannot recover. My legs are not able to recover from high volume. I don't know how people do it. While we're here, you might as well subscribe and like the video right now, and then comment legs if you're seeing it, because it's a leg day video. Come on. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another voiceover. Today, it's gonna be my leg day. I also hit shoulders on this day, but I figured I showed you guys my shoulders and calves workout last time, so I would just show you my leg day. So I'm just warming up 135 and then 225, 275, and then we go to 295 here, and I'm gonna do 2 sets of 8. Obviously the Smith machine isn't actually 295. I know this. You don't have to come at me in the comments. But I usually do free weight, but I'm at Planet Fitness obviously, so they don't have that. And yeah. As you can see, this is not an easy set. Last rep was very hard, see? Then we move on to dumbbell RDLs, or Romanian deadlifts. Basically, I just keep my hips, push my hips back as far as possible while keeping my knees slightly bent. Let's get a slow stretch on the negative and then explode upwards. Here I'm doing another 2 sets of 10. I really like these because it's a really good stretch on your hamstrings. I would usually go heavier, but the max that they go up to is 75, because once again I'm at Planet Fitness. Next is leg extensions. I think I put on 115. I think I started with 100 pounds and it was too light, so I had to go up for 2 sets of 10. Once again, trying to explode up and get a slow negative, focus on time under tension, really get good contractions in my quads. Next exercise is the seated leg curls. Now I would usually do lying leg curls, basically where you lay on your stomach and do them, but once again we're at Planet Fitness and they don't have that, so we gotta do the seated leg curls. Same thing, 2 sets of 10 at 100 pounds, and yeah, slow and controlled, getting good contractions, getting a slow negative, time under tension. That's what's gonna make you grow. Go to Hammies. Okay, and now glutes. I think I do 2 sets of 10 here. 220. I wanted to do hip thrusts, but they didn't have the pad for the bar, and I was not putting the bare bar on my area, so had to do the hip abductor machine. It's fine though. And the last exercise was the calf machine. I don't know what they call it, calf press, so I just called it the calf machine. 3 sets of 15 here at 175 pounds, and yeah, just once again focusing on contractions. Yo, we back from the gym. You know what time it is. Look, this is what we cooking up. Post-workout meal, you know what I'm saying. We got blueberries, a little fat-free whipped cream with some chocolate, sugar-free chocolate syrup, and 6 ounces of chicken. Woo! But I hope you guys enjoyed my legs and shoulders workout. It was, once again, fun to film. If you guys like these, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. If you learned something, that's great. That's the goal here, trying to teach you guys what I do for legs. Like, yeah. So, you know what to do. Comment for the algorithm, boys and girls. I'll see you guys in the next one.